pretty good looking bed until you get to this spot right here. So I'm going to try to put a couple clamps on it, straighten it back out, get it close as possible anyway. We'll see what happens. Well, got my drive shaft in. And that's a Ford factory drive shaft I used to try to match my 6R80. I just happened to find the right year that was the right length. So I was finally able to move it under its own power. First time I've driven a truck, just a few minutes ago. And now we're gonna try to get this bed on by myself. Yeah, I bought this thing pretty cheap because the headboard here was all mangled. I got it bent back as good as I could. I'm pretty happy with it. So now let's see if I can get this thing on there.